Students, in the previous class, Bhumika asked, she didn't understand that how to find the molecular mass or molar mass of the molecules. Once again, I'll explain how to find the molecular mass of the molecule. Means, we'll take some examples. Calculate the molecular mass of H2O. Here they are given. The calculate the molecular mass means the formula is used is that is H2O, that is equal to, means here the atoms present in the H2O is hydrogen and the oxygen. What we should do, that is number of atoms of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen, atomic mass of the hydrogen plus, that is in another atom present is oxygen, that is number of atoms of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen. This is the formula we are going to be used to find the molecular mass of the H2O water. That is the number of atoms of hydrogen is here 2. Therefore, we are going to be taken as, that is 2 into the atomic mass of the hydrogen is, that is 1.0084. This have to be remember. This is a familiar elements. That is familiar elements. Therefore, you have to be remember, that is 1.0084 plus number of atoms of oxygen. Oxygen atom is 1. Therefore, 1 into, that is atomic mass of the oxygen. Atomic mass of the oxygen is, that is 16.004. Then you have to calculate this. You have to calculate this. You are going to be get that the value calculating on this, that is 18.0208. That unit used for the molecular mass is U, that is unified mass. Otherwise, if for the molar mass also the same procedure, but the unit we are going to be used is gram per mole. That we are going to be used gram per mole. This about the calculation of the molecular mass or molar mass. The procedure is same for the both molecular mass and the molar mass, but the unit only we are going to be changed. That molecular mass we are going to be represented by U, then the molar mass we are going to be taken as gram per mole, that is gram per mole. If you are using this per, at that time no need of using this. This is a wrong method of writing gram per mole. Either you should write gram per mole like this, otherwise you should write gram per mole like this. These are the two correct methods of writing the unit of the, that is the molar mass. This is the wrong method. Both you are using the both means it's going to be wrong. This about the calculation of molecular mass of the H2O. Like this only for the carbon dioxide also we can calculate. That is the carbon dioxide is equal to, one thing you have to be remember, after point some value is there, no, that if you want to neglect, you can neglect. If you want to neglect, you can, no problem. ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಇದ್ರ ಬದಲು 1 ಅಂತಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ 16.004 ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ನೀವು 16 ಅಂತಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು. there is no problem. Okay, this is about the calculation of molecular mass of the water. Then carbon dioxide. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸು? 1 ಇದೆ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ atoms of carbon into atomic mass of carbon plus number of atoms of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen. Atomic mass of the oxygen. The number of atoms of carbon, how many carbon atoms are there? 1. Then it's having that atomic mass of the carbon, you have to be remember 12.0114. Then you can write 12 also, that is 12.0114 plus, then number of atoms of oxygen is 2. 2 into, that is 16, you can write, that is 16.004 exact value. Then you can write 16 also, no problem. 16 ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ 16.004 ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. There is no problem in this. Then we are on calculating this, we are going to be get that 44.0294 to 9, that is unified mass. This is the unit we are going to. And then if suppose in the exam there are molar mass, at that time we are going to be written as 44.029, that is gram per mole. This is the unit we are going to be used for the molar mass. molar mass ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಆನ್ಸರು. ಅದೇ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ಗೆ ಆದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ CH4, that is the CH4 is equal to number of atoms of carbon is 1, then into the atomic mass of carbon is, that is 12.0114 plus number of hydrogen atoms is 4. The 4 into hydrogen atom, that is 1.0084. On calculating this, we are going to be get the value, that is the 16.0434. Like this only will be calculate the some other problems. You can do for the oxygen, that is oxygen you can do for this, that is glucose. That is glucose contains the oxygen, hydrogen, carbon. You know the atomic mass of the carbon, you know the atomic mass of the hydrogen, you know the atomic mass of the oxygen. Then you can calculate the molecular mass or molar mass. And that is only the difference is molecular mass and molar mass, the unit only the difference. Then we will be do one more problem. This for the you have to do. You just do this and calculate and send it to me. Then one more problem I will show how to calculate the molecular mass of oxalic acid. The molecular formula is going to be given by, that is H2C2O4 dot 2H2O. Then this, how to find this means, that is oxalic acid, that is H2C2O4 plus 2H2. If the suppose they are given like this, this type of compounds, molecules, at that time how to find, we will see now. That is first number of hydrogen atoms, how much, that is the 2 hydrogen atoms. The atomic mass of the hydrogen is, that is 1.0084. Then plus number of carbon atoms is 2, the 2 into 12. That is 0114 plus the number of oxygen atoms is 4, the 4 into 16.004. Then point is there, then 2 into plus 2 into this you should be right in the bracket. Number of hydrogen atoms is 2 into 1.008. This number of hydrogen atom, this is the atomic mass of the hydrogen, plus then oxygen, that is number of atoms of oxygen is 1 into, that is the, are going to be taken as the, that is oxygen atom 16. That is 16.004. Then on calculating this, you are going to be get that that is the 126.048. Like this we can calculate. That is about the ಯೂನಿಫೈಡ್ ಮಾಸ್, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ. ಅದೇ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪರ್ ಮೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ molar mass of H2SO4. They are given like this. At that time the same procedure you have to be follow, that is H2SO4, that is sulfur given, that is the number of hydrogen atoms is 2 into, that is 1.0084 plus number of sulfur atoms is 1 into 32. Then if you want you can write 1 also here instead of 1.0084 plus, then number of oxygen atoms is 4, the 4 into 16.004. This about the next that we are going to be get that is you have to be calculate this. We are going to be get approximately, that is 98, that is gram per mole. The gram per mole you can write like this, or one more method of writing is gram per mole. This is the method we are going to be used. This about the calculation of the molecular mass and molar mass. If they are going to be asked here the molecular mass, at that time we are going to be use here U.